Hey. Hey, it's Napping While Camping. We are on an adventure back at Destiny's Dairy Bar. Today it's Valentine's Day and they are having a little event with hot chocolate. And we came over to stop in and say hi to all the animals, so let's go check in on the babies. Sorry I'm squinting, it's pretty darn sunny out. I'm not gonna complain, it's like 50 degrees. Love it. Oh, you wouldn't eat my keys, huh, Abby? Hi, Abby. Hi. You're beautiful. Yeah, get a nice drink. You get a nice drink in there. Oh, it's so good. Oh, it's so good. Oh, here's the piggy line. They're all lined up. They want treats. Helena's got the basket of treats over here. They see my cup of hot chocolate and they think, give it to me. Oh no, runaway apple. Piggy. How about this little one? Look at this little one. Don't be a pig, pig. Oh, hey. No wonder you're so big. You steal everybody's food, you bully. Look at this little white one. I love it.
This white one sucks.
Really?
Yeah, it's scaring away all the little piggies.
Oh.
Who's making these noises? Who's making all these noises down here, piggy noses?
Whee! Ooh, there goes the birds. All the birds just flew in and landed on the end down here. They're all on the fence down here. There they go. Hey, birdies. Bye, birdies. Oh, look at it. Hi, babies. Sassy, you got an attitude? You're just comfortable. Oh, there's our friend Velma over there. I remember Velma.
Itchy, itchy.
Hey, goat. Hey, goat. Hi, baby. Would you like to have some hot chocolate? Have a sip.
Oh my heavens. Don't be so mean to your friends.
What's that?
Sticker.
Thanks.
They can't be eating plastic.
No. Oh, it's a fruit sticker?
Yeah.
Good hot chocolate.
We got crusty boogies.
Look at all your fur coming off. It's not springtime yet.
Huh? Starting to be shedding time. Look at your itchy all over.
Hey, chick, chick, chick. Hey, chick, chick, chick. Chicken.
Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Nice. Here's the farm dog. It's getting pretty busy here. Nice day on the farm. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Y'all. Hi, guys. Come say hello. Ooh, run on down. Hurry, hurry. Give him a kiss right on the nose. I dare ya.
Cute. It's like a whole other entrance.
Ooh, my video's still rolling from my pocket.
He's not moving for anybody.
There we go.
So lovely. How old is he?
No, I don't know. I don't think more than a year.
Oh, he's a young one. This is the special needs pen. Nope, the sign said come on in.
I bet if they tried hard enough, they could get through here. If it was that big, you could get through here.
This cow says, I like this post. Do you like this post? I love this post.
That's probably the mama.
Meow. What kind of animal is that? Doesn't have a head. Here's all the animals showcased here. If you want, you can probably pause the video and take a look at them. I'll just show you them quick. Valentine didn't see the cat. Here we go. Some of the animals here at Destiny's Dairy Bar. Thanks for hanging out with us. I hope you had a good time. Stop in again and see what other fun things I get into. Now that the weather's gonna start breaking, you never know where I'm gonna go.
This is apple fritter.
They are big. Look at you. Honk. I hear ya. I hear ya. Well, thanks for joining me here, Napping While Camping, on our little side trek to Destiny's Dairy Bar. Happy Valentine's Day, y'all. Oh, y'all. Why am I saying y'all? I don't know. I don't know.
Texas.
Not in Texas.
You are in Texas.
Yeehaw, cowgirl.
Like, now that's cringe.